All right, so for the seasonings, again, I'm gonna do a light dusting of the Blues Hog marinade. I just really like the flavor of it, so just a little baseline of that. We're also gonna use Smoking Guns Hot, and for our heavy and base layer here, we're gonna use Blues Hog Sweet and Savory. So we're just gonna go ahead and with the pork marinade again.
So you use that on as a rub, as a base layer.
Yep, I just kind of just lightly dust it. I don't even really pay attention to how much. With the Smoking Guns Hot, you can go very light, very light coat of it, because it can kill the flavor of the pork, so you don't want too much of it. And we'll come back and we'll hit a little bit of almost like a medium coat with the sweet and savory. I don't want to over season it, because I really don't want to take away from the flavor of the pork itself. And I'm not looking for really too much of a even coat either. I know a lot of people are very particular about that. And then we're just gonna let these sit here like this for about a half hour until we put them on the smoker.